What's going on, guys? The Abundant Alchemist here, helping you get to financial freedom by doing technical analysis and by curating all of the information humanly possible in a day to present to you so that you can make decisions on your own. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so let's start off by talking about the media. Before we even get into this, all right, I just want to bring this big point up. I reached out to a good friend of mine, friend of the family's, who could point me in the direction to take care of taxes, right? As far as crypto. So the first thing that his wife pointed out was be careful because CNN is reporting that cryptocurrency is a really risky asset investment to be in. Now, I understand where she's coming from because, that's the motherly instinct. That's the friend who does not want to see their fellow friend get burned. That's pretty much the advice I have been getting from my father because, he doesn't know anything when it comes to investing into crypto. He really doesn't know anything when it comes to investing into normal markets. He's a business owner. That's what he does. He reinvests into his own business and he works hard at what he does, and he's good at what he does, right? So the reason why I'm bringing that up is because CNN, their job is to keep you involved and attached to their word. They're going to jump in when Bitcoin goes to 100K. They'll say it's the best thing ever. When it goes down to zero, they'll trash it. That's what they're good for. They're good for getting your attention, sensationalizing things at their worst and sensationalizing things at their best. Janet Yellen, a couple of days ago, was bashing crypto, speaking about how it is used mainly for laundering money and conducting illegal activities. Now, what she is withholding is the fact that throughout history, fiat currency is the main means of washing money, dirty money. And I mean, look at the history of Miami. The entire economy was built off of that white powder that America loves so much that we buy from Mexico, right? And there wouldn't be such an economy if we would not be consuming this, because that's what we do. We consume, all right? I'm just hitting you with facts right now, and if it hurts, maybe there's something there, okay? She withheld that inconvenient truth that fiat currency is what's used to transfer dirty money, transfer your hard-earned taxes into whatever they want to do that will conveniently make them more money and just continue to suck your money dry. They don't want you to invest into this asset that could free you from their system, that they need you to be reliant upon them so that they could continue making their money while they go ahead and take vacations. Right? Am I lying? Okay. So, Janet Yellen bashing crypto. Today, I see on Yahoo Finance, she's saying, oh, maybe, yeah, you should invest in it, but just be cautious. Okay. Why the sudden change? My theory is that first day that she gets into office, or I don't know if she's in office, but she was being considered for it under this new administration. My theory is that she voiced her, not really opinion, because I'm sure that she doesn't even think of it that way. She just said what she said, knowing that what she says, since she is in the spotlight, will have an effect on the market because the market is emotional. Okay? Once it dipped, I'm sure that she bought at that sale price. And now she's talking positive about it because what will that do? Now people feel relieved. Oh, Janet Yellen, she's talking about, she's changed her stance on this. Maybe I should invest in crypto because the bread that I bought 4 months ago is going up in price, and maybe I should hedge the money that I need to feed my family, right? Now let's get into Ethereum. Now that I have that out of the way. So I don't have to tell you and to add two and two to think for yourself. And another thing, when you look at the comment section on all of these news stories that are coming out, it amazes me to see the ratio of likes to dislikes. It amazes me to see all the people that are against what's going on. And you could say that I'm talking out with my behind, but take a look for yourself, okay? Build your own opinion. The ratios don't make sense. And I'm not lying. Take a look for yourself. So I don't know where these votes came from, but if you have this whole country backing you and so tired of the last administration, why is it that there's so much disdain for this new administration and still people that yearn for the one that just got booted out? And what even puzzles me more is when the media was bashing last administration, and you know what I mean when I'm saying the last administration and this administration, I don't have the same names, but when 4-5 was getting bashed, the amount of support that he was getting in the comment section, the amount of dislikes that those news being reported, I don't know, think for yourself. I can't think for you. Let's talk about crypto. Ethereum. Look, to me, Ethereum is the new Bitcoin. And I know a lot of people are going to say, what the hell are you talking about? Bitcoin, there's nothing like it. Ethereum is the new Bitcoin because majority of the platforms that you see being traded right now are all built off of, for the most part, 99% off of this technology that Ethereum has created. Bitcoin, it is a long-term storage of wealth. I agree with that. But why would I take my hard-earned money, which now is the handout that we're getting, why would I take my handout, and I don't know when the next one's coming, right? I have no idea when the next one is coming. So why would I take that and put it into a horse that's hobbling on 3 legs, still strong? I know it won the race last time, but there's this new stallion in the race, and it's blowing it out of the water. And I've never seen it race, but there's something about this. Not only that, but I see all these other horses that come from the same breed, and they're looking great. So DeFi is the name of the game this bull run. Last bull run, all coins performed great and people got wealthy. This time, because of, if you connect the dots, everything that's happening with the dollar, with fiat currency, decentralized finance is the new wave. We're tired of the old system, and this is what will replace it. This is why, and I hate to mix things up and get off the page, but this is why media is telling you to avoid it like the plague. Avoid it and be scared of it like the flu that could possibly kill you. I'm having deja vu. If you're listening to this, maybe you're supposed to be listening to this. Let's move on to Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's gonna... also Ethereum. I think we're gonna see 5K by the summertime. All right? And maybe I'm being too lenient on my enthusiasm for Ethereum, but I much rather under-promise and over-deliver. We'll see how this ages. Bitcoin, 60 to 80K by September 20th. I might be off by a couple of days. Thank you, BitBoy Crypto. I'm trading Ethereum Bitcoin pairs as we move along to gather about 0.15 Bitcoin when it's all said and done. That's that's what I'm doing. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with my money, with your money. I'm telling you what I'm doing with my money. So this is the chart. Look, you see that resistance right there? We're meeting it and we're breaking it right now. Once it blows past this, sky's the limit. We've never been, all of this above is uncharted territory. We've never been here before. Your guess is as good as my guess we're going to end up, where we're going to end up. But Ethereum easily 2 to 3x. Bitcoin, we're going to see 60 to 80. I already went over why Bitcoin is not my main pick. And I know Bitcoin maximalists will be upset to hear that. But look, the weekly chart. See that red dot? This blue line losing strength. Volume is losing momentum. Heikinashi, that's the candle. It's indecisive. I think we're going to break down to about the 20 moving average, 20-week moving average, and possibly fall down to about 17. It's possible. But more likely is that we're just going to be ranging 29, 34, in between that, just bouncing back and forth for the next couple of months. So why would I put my money into this? It might blast off in July to 80. But by then, I'd make my money already in alts. Ren. Very bullish on Ren. Decentralized finance, like I said, 10x. This could explode. It's on sale right now. Let's take a look at the charts here for Coinbase. Look at that. Wednesday. For the week, not Wednesday. It's Monday. Okay. We're kind of retracing. This is the time to buy. This is the time to get in on Ren. I'm not going to spend too much time. I have so many coins to go, and I won't even be finished with going over the coins that I want to speak. There's going to be a part 2 to this video. Cardano, it's on sale. This is going to dollar easy double your money. Okay, again, not financial advice. This is my opinion. This is my interpretation of what I'm seeing. This is my call link. Look, I'm not even going to continue going to chart by chart. I want to blast through this. Link 30 to 40 is possible. You could easily double your money. We're like at 12, I believe. We're at 12, I think. So link USD. I have limited time here, so I'm just trying to do this as fast as possible. $23 right now. We're going to see 30 to 40 link. I won't sell all of these. I'm going to keep some for the long term. XLM. Now, I had somebody ask me on my YouTube channel, what do I think about XLM? I think you could easily double your money. I'm not going to keep a huge bag of this. It's indecisive at the moment. I think it's a time to start getting into it slowly. See if we could bottom out. Actually, let's take a look at the weekly chart. Yeah, for the week, we have 6 days left in the week. So if I were you, I'd chip away at this, nibble as the week goes on, and just sell half on a double. If you're bullish, you know, you could slowly sell certain percentages as it goes up. Polkadot. It's had a $50 all-time high. You could again easily double your money. Guys, like this is going to sound redundant because everything is going up right now. In particular, I want to concentrate on decentralized finance. Polkadot would 3x easily. Uniswap, it's on sale. I'm buying more Uniswap. I sold all of mine. I kind of regret selling all of it because I thought it would retrace. It's taking off. 10x is possible. Okay, great use case. The fundamentals are great. This doesn't have many competitors. It leads the decentralized platforms. EOS. I think EOS has room to grow. It's going to explode, and at least to start, it's going to go up by 20%. Tezos, I'm bullish. Funny thing, I actually had a dream about Tezos where I was looking down at in a castle, you know those things with the water, a moat, and it had Tezos on the bottom. But I think for the quarter, it could easily 2x. Maker, I'm bullish for this. It's gonna be running this bull run DeFi. Aave, I think, is going to rocket to $1,000. That's my price prediction. SNX, more DeFi. It's gonna rocket 5x, $60 price point easy. I repeat, DeFi space is on fire. Let's take a look at synthetics. Okay, I'm gonna go to the Coinbase platform. Synthetics, look at that. This is the weekly chart. It's just no chill. Okay, I'm gonna go into the daily chart. Look at that. It's got a green dot here for the day. It's gonna do great. It's on sale right now. Bitcoin Cash. This I think it could 3x easy. I'm holding some. I think the target is about 1500. Dash, you could easily 2x. It's worth holding some in order to diversify your portfolio. Dash USD, Coinbase. Let's see. Dash, look, boom. All-time highs are about 190. So we're at 108. Easy double your money. It's a good time to get in. I think it may retrace a little bit. Nothing to worry about. But I think this is actually today is the time to get into Dash if you want. Comp, comp is hot. Big data, storage. You should have some in your portfolio if I were you. Okay. Let's go to the weekly chart. Weekly chart, look at that. It's gonna probably take off, and like let's see where we're coming from. Okay, comp, look at that. 423. It's easy to see that you could double your money here. Okay, now in between the time that it takes from now, and this goes for all coins, from now to like reaching all-time highs, yes, there's opportunities to trade. Look at these candles. You could sell here if it retraces for the week. You could buy here. Like, there's money to be made while you're making money. And speaking of BlockFi, check the link in my description. You could start earning interest on your crypto. Okay, moving forward, Litecoin. Litecoin is really interesting because it is listed on PayPal, which a lot of people are exposed to. Look at the all-time highs, 400. We are currently at 141. That's it. What, 3x? I think 5x is possible. I'm holding this, and I'll start selling at about 300. Okay. I have sold a little bit of my ETH as it blasted off. I took profits and went into Litecoin because it's going to be top 10. I think it's top 10. People are going to see it. Platforms are putting it into your face. So people will buy just because they don't know what else to buy. They hear about this, they see what it did in 2017, 2018. Like, look at this candle. This was 2017, December. Went to 400. They're going to see what happened, even if they can't analyze a chart. And they're going to say, I'm going to put my money into Litecoin. Filecoin. I think it's going to explode. It's on sale right now. I told you I'm going to sound redundant. I told you I'm going to sound like there's no way that you could lose. And of course, nothing's guaranteed. This looks like people made money and just dumped. This must have been an initial coin offering, right? Where people didn't see the value of this because it's brand new. And I remember actually getting some Filecoin, learning on Coinbase the videos, right? My suggestion on Coinbase, sometimes they do videos and you could watch them and you get free coins when they're first placed on the platform. So people sold and now it's just hanging out. It's lost volume. People are going to start buying and this thing is going to rocket. It's on sale. All right, guys. That's all I have for you for now. I know that you, I forgot your name. I think it's Dante. You were asking me about stellar lumens. I promised you I was going to make a stellar lumens video. I don't have the time for it actually. And look, I'm not bullish on it as much as I am in so many other projects such as Theta. And Theta is something that I want to make a video for. I'm not telling you not to invest in XLM. I have XLM. And I'm not telling you to lose your belief in it. I transferred all of my XRP into XLM because it pretty much is doing the same thing and it's not dealing with all these legal issues. And if you're seeing something that I'm not seeing, prove me wrong. It's fine. Make that money. I won't be mad at you. All right, guys? That is all I have for you guys for now. I'll be back with the rest of my list, but I actually have to get back to my own portfolio and make the moves that I need to make. Hope you guys are making a lot of money today. Have a great one. Peace.